the one-bedroom, 46 square meter with Ladja by Lupont Residences located in Bridgetown, Pasig. Pasukin na natin para ma-feel nyo because Lupont Residences is equipped with smart home devices. Yan. Meron kayong smart lock. Yan. Tapos sa kwarto nyo, sa rooms nyo, hindi na siya usual. Audio-visual na siya na makikita nyo yung taong yung nagdo-doorbell. Ganon. Okay? Pagpasok po ninyo, ito na yung dining. Okay? This is the living. Okay? This is square cut type. So, it looks like a house, not a condo. Okay? Kasi yung layout niya, maluwag. Okay? Para kang umuwi sa inyo. Okay? So, this is the living, dining, the living, and then the loggia. So, loggia is much bigger than the balcony. Look. Okay? And the nice thing about the Lupont, because that is one of the premium residences by RLC, hindi po siya bakal. It's a glass with stainless. Premium po yung dating, definitely social. Okay? So, hindi siya maliit yung space niya. Pag tinignan nyo, ganito kalaki yung ladya nyo or yung iba, hindi kasi siya balcony. Ang balcony nakalawit. Bawa, ito yung room nyo, nakalawit siya sa yung pinaka-architecture niya sa labas. Ito kasi pasok pa rin sa labas, sa loob ng bahay nyo or sa condo nyo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steps, sobra-sobra pa. Napakaluwag niya. Okay? Yan. So, can have your coffee here. And then, pwede pa kayong mag-bonding dito ng anak nyo. Yan. Pwede kayong mag-camping dito sa gabi. Maglagay kayong tent dyan. Yan. So, meron siyang sliding. Yan. Pag ayaw nyo ayan, pwede kayong maglaroon ng division there. Para may privacy kayo pag nanonood kayo ng TV. Yan. Then, let's go to the kitchen. Yan. So, very accessible, no? Kita mo lahat yung lugar mo. Perfecto for starting families, also for single. Pwede rin yung mga career-oriented natin. Ang maganda rito, L-shape yung ating kitchen counter. So, malaking bagay yan, maluwag. Okay? Tapos, meron po tayong frosted glass na overhead kitchen cabinet. Meron din dito. And then, you have the range hood and the stove top. Okay? Yan. Premium yan. Kasi usually, ang mga one bedroom ng condo, isang ganun lang. This time, ang kitchen counter mo, L-shape. So, napakagandang feature yan. Okay? Yan, meron dito. Stripper para hindi magbara. Yan. So, you have this nice. So, pull-out pantry, kasama din. Yan, mapu-pull out niyo yung pantry nyo. So, you can add your seasonings here, yung mga pots and pans nyo, you can organize. Yan, guys. Ako, ang ganda. Kasama yan eh. Naka-customize yung inyong pots and pans. So, kasama po to sa turnover. Yung pull-out pantries, yung mga stainless dyan na napu-pull out. Kasama po yan. You can expect that to your turnover. Okay, so this is the bedroom. Yan, ang laki ng bedroom. Yan. You can fit, this is like only double size bed, but I think you can do queen size to king size bedroom. Kaya pa mas malaking bed. Okay? You have the study and working space. Yan. And then, ito. Yan. Malaki pa yung space niya. Okay? Yan. Ang maganda rito, you have glass windows. Yan. Yan, glass windows. Yan. Ito po kasi this is already interior. So, sa turnover po, papalagyan nyo na lang po ito. This is applicable po sa mga split type air conditioner. Hindi na po window. And then, ito po yung ating toilet and bath. Yan. Dito nakapwesto, toilet and the wash basin. Then, the shower. Yan. So, for the turnover, kasama po ito, glass partition. Okay? And all of the fixtures. Yan. Itong shower, the bidet, the tissue holder. Yan, kasama po lahat. And of course, the electricity, the electrical, I mean, yan, yung mga lights, kasama na po yan. And then, naka-tiles na po siya. But, yung mga, tulad nito, yung mga ganto, yung mga gamit, hindi pa po kasama. Okay? Kasi this is only dress up. Just to show you an idea, kung paano nyo po siya papa-interior. Pero pag dinurnover to, kumbaga parang gamit na lang, furniture na lang, tsaka itong mga to ang kulang, pwedeng-pwede na. Wala na kayong iintindihin sa tubig, sa electrical wiring, okay na siya. Okay? So this is the 1 bedroom, 46 square meter of Lupont means bridge. Lupont Residences, bridging you to your best life. You can enjoy this 1 bedroom, 46 square meter in the heart of Bridgetown, Pasig. For more questions, you can contact me in my social media and also to my numbers below. Okay? Thank you for watching and hopefully you can be the future homeowner here in Lupont Residences.